Now in this slide, I am just going to try you to make it more understand about the coordinates of a point in a space. Now here it is a rectangular, best word is cuboid, okay, rectangular, one rectangle and second rectangular part. So cuboid is here in the 3-dimensional space. So consider a point P in a space. The position of the point P is given by the triad XYZ, where XYZ are perpendicular distances from YZ, ZX and XY planes respectively. Already now you are aware of it, okay. We are just going on discussing this again. So now what are the coordinates here? Already I told you about the octants. Now by the figure, in the x-axis, x, y and z, y and z both are 0. X we are having, so we can just write it x 0 0. Similarly in the y axis we are having x and z 0, y as it is 0, y, 0. Then in the z axis x and y are 0 and z we are having value 0 0 z. Is it clear? Now in the xy plane, x, y and z, now from this one, these three, now we can discuss that in the xy plane z is 0, in the yz plane x is 0 and in the zx plane y is 0. Is it clear? Now considering all these things in the form of a table, what we are having, just look here, the sign of the coordinates of a point determine the octant in which the point lies. The following table shows the signs of the coordinates in 8 octants. In the first octant what we are having, positive, positive, positive. In the second, negative, positive, positive. In the third, negative, negative, positive, positive, negative, positive. Then fifth, positive, positive, negative. Sixth, negative, positive, negative, 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 and in the eighth, positive, negative and negative. So you have to be very much careful about this table when you are solving the question. So learn this table by heart, okay, and easily you can just check it by any means. You can learn this table. Is it clear? So without this table we can't solve the questions. Now suppose we are having you have to find the coordinates of any one of the point, and they are saying that it is in the 6th octant, 7th octant, 6th octant, anywhere, okay. So remember this table hardly.